Login failed on RBC Direct Investing app fix. You open the RBC Direct Investing app, ready to track your portfolio or place a trade, but then you hit that annoying login failed message. Don't worry, this happens to many users, and the fix is usually quick. Here's how to solve it step by step. First, check your internet connection. RBC's app needs a strong and secure network to connect to your account. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. If your connection is weak, that alone might be causing the login failure. Next, make sure your app is up to date. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search RBC Direct Investing, and tap Update if available. Old app versions often stop syncing properly with RBC security systems, leading to login errors. Then, verify your username and password. It's easy to mix up credentials, especially if you use multiple RBC services. Try typing your login manually instead of relying on saved passwords. If you've forgotten it, use the Forgot Password link to reset your details safely. If that doesn't help, clear your app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, RBC Direct Investing, Clear Cache. On iPhone, simply delete and reinstall the app to remove temporary or corrupted data files. Using FBIN, turn it off. RBC's app may reject logins from unknown or foreign IP addresses as part of its security protection. Disabling the FBIN often resolves the issue immediately. Finally, check if RBC is running maintenance or updates. During those times, logins might be temporarily disabled. You can try signing in on the website to see if it's a wider issue. So when your RBC Direct Investing app says login failed, remember it's usually not serious. Check your network, update your app, re-enter your credentials, clear the cache, and disable your FBIN. Follow these simple steps and you'll be back accessing your portfolio and managing trades in no time.